everyone. Myself Viren Rao. I am studying post-graduation in global events and experiential marketing. So starting off with community run in Dubai, which was sponsored by My Dubai, a water brand over there. So got to know about the marathon event takes place. Post that I got to work in the biggest car racing event of the world, which is Formula One. I was a artist transport manager over there, where I had to make sure that the artists get from one point to another at the proper timings according to the schedule. Post that, I got to work in a corporate event for Maruti International Company, which is a oil company over there in Dubai. So over there also I was managing the artists, like making sure they are proper, they are going to the stage according to the schedule given to us. Post that, I worked in a wedding in Fujairah, part of UAE Emirates. After that, I worked in another wedding, which was at W Hotel. Over there, I was a production manager, making sure everything was happening on time. Then I got to work in Tata Communications event. So my work over there was to handle the console. I'd like to thank them to provide this opportunity